I don't know what happened. The other video just stopped all by itself. I was getting the bird. Good job. Good job. What? Good job. Oliver, what are you doing on the counter, on the cabinet there, bud? There's our guy. Yep. Ollie. Oh, oh. Good job, Q. Good job, Q. Good job, Q. Where is it? Oh my gosh. And Owen gets it. Yeah. Oh, he runs away. Don't run away. You want the stick. You're a big stick person, huh? You'd rather have the stick than what's on the other end of it. You can eat that. What is this? If you jump on your sister, Ollie. Hazel. Oh, you're burying it? There's nothing wrong with that. Someone else will eat it, you know. Here you go, Hazel. Good girl, honey. Everybody plays. It's okay. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Look at the bird. You want the stick again? I'll take the stick. You like sticks. You're a stick guy. Yeah. You're a stick guy, huh? Where are the other two girls? You gonna chew on it? That's okay. It's in your hand. It's in your hand. Here you go, Hazel. Good girl, Hazel. What are you doing? Hazel. Where's the bird, Hazel? Good girl. Can you get it, sweet girl? What if I put it on your head? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? You want the stick bad, don't you? You don't care about the bird. You want the stick. There you go. I'll give you the stick. Okay. We're done? And that's the end of playtime, folks. Okay. Well, we got a lot of videos to send. You're going to finish off that food that isn't yours? I think that might have ProPlan in it, though. It's just not the dry food that you're supposed to have, but I'm going to have to resolve myself to this. Oh! Oh! Sneak attack. You are stealth boy. Where is it, Owen? Oh, you're running. He ran into the bedroom. Okay, I'm sending this one too. Good job. Everybody's awesome.